Good afternoon. I'd like to welcome you to CNFT's afternoon trade recap for our trade recommendations made about 7 o'clock Central this morning, well before the fact. This morning we started out wanting to sell failure to take out 85, and we thought the market might go get stops above the overnight session high right here, but it didn't. We love to trade before the day session opens, so we got this beautiful triple top. Our retest failure set up right here with deceleration, and a lot of people in our rooms will trade before the day session opens, so this trade would have had you short off of our prescribed setup in the 82.50 area, and if you wanted to cover before at the value area low, or which is another great place to pull off a trade before the day session open, then you would have been able to cover that trade at basically at 80. So you'd have picked up 2.5 points to start off the day session. Right here we have a retest failure again, and when you break this bar's low or that low, you're short at 79, and the market trades down to 74 before it pauses and starts to correct. So you had a shot at 2 to 4 points on that particular trade. So started off the day on the low side at 4 points, our minimum expectations, and then the trade we take is 2 points to a high of 6.5 before the market went into consolidation. Our first buy was in the 75 area plus or minus. Our second buy was in the 70 area. As the day progressed, and we got a beautiful setup once again. We adjust on every hour as we go through, and we said as long as the market stayed below 80, we wanted to be short. And the market did stay below 80, and you'll see that we've got a great setup in the 79 area. A double test of the high is our retest failure, a trade that we love, a trade that we take. It fit with our idea. The Emini was selling, so right here is the retest trade. And you would have been short in the 78 area, and the market traded straight down. I mean, there was just one trade. You can see all these S's going down. Our software does a lot of the work for you. Tells you conditions are right to be on the short side. And the market trades all the way down to 65 before it stops. So there was a shot at 12 plus points on that particular trade. So on the low side, if you took your profits off of our trade setups for 2 points, you would have picked up 6 points trading today. On the high side, it would have been 18 points. Quite a spread, but you know, it's just really happens day in and day out with our trading methodology and being able to read the charts as we do. We have a lot of different extra aids to help your trading on this last trade up here where we came out of the 79 area. We'll take a look at our F6 screen, and we trade volume. We don't really trade price, and we're looking for a certain size volume moving into the market and moving out, and we track two different volumes. On the F4 screen, the one that you just saw, we track the largest institutional investors in pane number 3. Because of the desire to disguise your orders, most people think that the high-frequency trading program or buy or sell programs are done at a smaller order size. So you can see right here on this double top, we've got divergence on this particular screen. This high is lower than that high, and when this group turns sellers, the market turns sellers, and this group stays sellers all the way down here. And when they decide to cover their short and generally go back to the long side of the market, the selling is just about over. So you caught that entire move. So that we have a lot of different ways of capturing the activity, keeping you focused on the volume and the dynamics that are actually driving the market. If you'd like more information on CN Futures Trading, please visit our website, www.cnfuturestrading.com. At our site, you'll get an overview of our software, our educational packages, and our trading methodology. In addition to this, we offer you 5 free days in our trading rooms where you can see the trades put on live. Talk about the setup. You can see how we game the markets throughout the day, how our opinion changes, and what makes it change. Please contact us at info@cnfuturestrading.com, or you may call us directly at 312-361-3895. Looking forward to seeing you in our room for your free 5-day trial.